Hi! Hello, my friend. This is your boy, Colton Havens, where you come to get your brain food, baby. If this is your first time on one of my videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button, okay? But what is affiliate marketing? Okay, here are the 5 tips to affiliate marketing that you need to know before you get started with any opportunity, okay? These are the 5 things that I wish I would have known before I started selling other people's products online. Okay, at this point, hopefully you know what affiliate marketing is. Okay, I'm gonna give you just some of the tips of the trade that I'm gonna just give you some tips of the trade. Okay, my friend, I'm gonna give you some of the tricks that I've been able to learn how to trade with. That's what I'm about to do for you, my friend. So get out a pen, get out paper. I'm gonna just give you 5 solid things that I just wish I would have known. So the first thing is you're gonna have to have a different mindset. Okay, what do you mean, Colton, by a different mindset? I mean the difference between a consumer mindset and a creator mindset. Right now, you may be in this this consumer mindset where you haven't been producing content, maybe you haven't been writing blogs, or you just haven't actually produced any of your own stuff. Okay, you're not creating anything. If you're like a painter, you know, a poet, a musician, anything like that, you kind of know how you're in this creative state most of the time, okay? And we have to create content in order to build an online business, okay? I'm gonna get to number 3 or 4 here and talk about more of that, okay? But the first thing we gotta do is take our mindset from going from a consumer to a creator. Okay, now the way we do this, Colton, how do I go from being a consumer to a creator? So the same way, we just got to create a new habit, okay, a daily habit. Now it's very simple. So the habit that we have to create is either making a video a day, okay, emailing someone a day, writing a blog a day. We have to get used to creating some type of content every single day. Okay, and then have a nice like 30-day plan. We have I've been in the 30-day boot camps or the 100-day boot camps for affiliate marketing. If you've ever been in any of these, the philosophy behind it is to teach you how to build a new habit that's going to eventually pay you for the rest of your life. And that is creating content, okay? So, the best way to create content, just so you guys know, is to actually learn something new every day about the field that you're talking about. Most of the time when I do my videos, it's because of something that I learned that day that has helped me earn money or potentially help me earn money, and I wanted you guys to know too, because if I could have just cut my learning curve in half, it would be great. I've been lucky and fortunate and worked hard to earn a few thousands of dollars selling things online, but it's not to the millions that I'm striving for, okay? So there's something new that I can always learn in this game. So make sure that you're a student of the game, okay? We're changing our mindset from being a consumer to a creator, and we need to become a student of the game. Most people do not pick up a new book after high school, okay? The average CEO reads 52 books a year. How many did you read? Okay? You'll get out of life what you deserve, okay? Not what you want. So deserve it, okay? And I'll get to you. Now the second tip, okay? I just got notes over here. I want to make sure I go over everything. The second tip when you are an affiliate marketer is to not worry about how much money you're making. Okay? I know. Colin, you just told me you made thousands of dollars. What are you talking about? Okay? The principle, the process behind it is more important than the outcome at the beginning. So forming the habit of daily study and daily action is going to bring you more money over the long run than worried about, dude, I gotta make money today. I gotta make money today. If you need money today, you should have planted a seed 3 months ago. Okay? With an online business, you gotta have that farmer mentality, not the microwave. You gotta plant the seed, work day in and day out with no results. That way at the end of the year, you can harvest everything and survive the winter. Okay? But the best part about when you plant a seed online, it will forever grow. It's like the little seeds of, what's that dude? Jack and the Beanstalk. Those 3 seeds that, whoosh, If you plant the right seeds, they're gonna grow for you. Okay? And you gotta take care of it, you gotta maintenance, all that stuff. Building your business online is a farm, okay? It's not a microwave. You can't just have the ingredients, throw it in there, beep, oh, it's done. Okay, a lot of people say that, and you can make a lot of money in a short amount of time, but it takes a long time to become the right person to deserve that kind of money. Because if the world was such a place to give the amount of money to undeserving people, okay, what kind of world would that be? It's like having Arnold Schwarzenegger, you know, he was in there, he ate right, he worked out for 6 hours a day. What if he did that and then he was fat? And then someone that ate McDonald's all day got muscles. What kind of world would that be? I know I wouldn't want to live in a world like that. So you have to understand these simple laws and principles that follow you through your affiliate marketing business, okay? You got to understand that you're going to be a business owner now, okay? You got to be a creator. All right, and not to worry about how much money you're making, but focusing on the habits that I'm doing daily. Okay, that which brings us to my third tip: daily goals. Not like daily, like I want to make $10,000 a day goals. These goals are good to have. Don't get me wrong. We know we got to have money. We know we got to have that cash flow. But if that is our sole purpose for the day, we're going to lose out. Okay, we're not going to make any money. So the goals need to be something like, did I make a video a day? Okay, did I email my list today? If you guys don't know what a list is, okay, you make sure you get one of these trainings or this book right here so you guys know how to build a bigger list, okay, so you can generate more money online, because the fortune is in the follow-up. If you've ever been in network marketing or anything, you hear a lot of that, okay? The philosophy is still the same. Okay, we're just going to do it in a different way, okay? So tip number 3, have a daily goal of achievement goals, okay? We need to have a long-term goal, which is, you know, doing YouTube full-time or having a full-time online business. But our daily goal needs to be, I posted a video and I sent out an email today. Okay, we can get better at doing these, the better quality, blah, blah, blah. Right now, it doesn't need to be good, okay? It needs to be done. Right now at this point, if we're a brand new beginning, we never earned a single dollar online. We don't even know what affiliate marketing is yet. You know, I just know it's exciting. People make lots of money. You know, I don't want to work my whole life. You know, all of these things. Okay. So our daily goals need to be 1 video a day, email my list. Okay, if we can do those things consistently over a long period of time, we'll eventually have that $10,000 days. Okay, they're going to happen. They're, you know, $2,500, $1,000 days. Okay, so you can actually create these, but they come from habits. Okay, that's tip number 3. Now, thing number 4. How are you going to create value for your customers online? Okay, Colton, what do you mean by value? What is value, Colton? Come on, bro. Like, people say value, 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 but for some reason, majority of us don't have common sense. Common sense isn't so common, okay? So let me give you an example of what value is, okay? So like, for instance, doing these simple videos here online. So value is helping someone else solve a problem in their life. Okay, become valuable. So this video here, I'm giving you some simple tips on just how to create a better, you know, create more money online. Before you dive into, you know, and the very last one is going to be super, super important here. That 5th one, it's going to be super important on what kind of companies we buy and why we buy them and all that stuff. But okay, but we need to know what we're going to talk about. So there's this great book called The Expert Secrets, okay? I'll have a link down here in the description for you. I love my books. I love my brain food, okay? These are some simple, cheap books that you can dive into, that if you're serious about this and you want to learn and implement, you can read daily and learn something new. But Expert Secrets is going to show you how you can take something that you already know that you're an expert in. So if you so what does it mean to be an expert? To be an expert, you have to have 10,000 hours in this activity. That's why professional basketball players are experts. They've spent the time, they've done the reps, they put in the time to be considered an expert. Okay? You are an expert at something. You've been putting your whole life into something. Okay, and that is something you can create value about. You can solve problems. Like if you're a mechanic, talk about things that solve mechanic issues. If you're online business, talk about some secret tricks and trades and hacks to help someone else earn some more money. Okay, help people solve problems. That's creating value. Simple. Just solve more problems, my friend. Okay, and figure out what they are, simply fill them up. Okay, now the fifth and final one is going to be one of the most important ones as well. Okay, last but not least, when we are looking for different programs to sell online, so different affiliates, and becoming an affiliate is one of the best ways to do it, because I don't have to, do the customer follow. I don't have to, I don't have to deliver the product. I don't have to do the customer service. I don't have to deal with, all the customers and stuff like that. I just promote, earn the sale. Promote, earn the sale. Okay, it's some super simple concept, just like being a normal sales rep, okay? Except for you get to do it online, and when you make one video that's able to do that, it's gonna produce sales for the rest of your life. So you do one thing to produce income for the rest of your life. Now, when we're looking for these specific, affiliate marketing programs, we need to look for two things. Integrity, which means they're going to stay around for a long time. They do what they say what they're going to do. Okay? Because there's a lot of affiliate marketing programs that come and go really fast. They just whoop, whoop, they're in and out, in and out. Okay? The second thing is they need to have high commission sales, meaning that you'll earn a lot of money if someone does buy something from you. Okay? Why is that important? You can obviously tell number one's important, integrity, because you want to be with a company for a long time. Just like working at your job. If you're working at a job and they're paying you well and they're giving you time off and they give you all these type of benefits, you're going to want to stay there and work with them more. Online, if a company is paying you on a regular basis and they don't have any problems with the way you promote, then you got a great relationship there, and you just want to stick with that company for as long as you can. So the companies that have the most integrity, okay, like the ones I partner up with, they pay me for as long as my videos are talking about them. Okay, that's the best part about that. Now, why are high commission tickets the best to do? It's because it takes the same, they've done studies, and it takes the same amount of process for someone to spend $200 as it does someone to spend $2,000. Now, let me ask you a question. If you can make $200 right now, or you can make $2,000 right now doing the same thing, which one would you rather have? The $2,000, of course. What a dumb question. All right? But that's why high commission, high ticket sales are better. So if the affiliate program that you're trying to partner up with does not offer high ticket sales, I would not suggest spending your time there, because there's no reason to work hard for pennies. You already do that at work. So when we come here, we're here to make some real cash flow. Now, we're not going to focus on it, but when we do the activities to it, it's going to happen eventually. If we focus on the front end, making the videos, creating content, solving problems, making sure that we're thinking creatively instead of thinking as a consumer, we're going to have more profits in the bank. Okay? These are really the 5 things I wish I would have known when I started. Okay, if you want more stuff like this, just simply go get the free book down there, freebook.yescolton.com, expertsecrets.yescolton.com. These are some books that you got to pay for shipping, but these are some free books that you can learn more. This one is How to Build a Digital Marketing Business and Earn Unlimited Income from Anywhere in the World. If that's something you're trying to do, make sure you get the book, Expert Secrets. If you don't know what to talk about in your videos, make sure you get that book, because it's going to show you how to do it. And, I have a 15-day training course that's going to, after you get through this 15-day course, you're going to have a complete blueprint of how to build a digital marketing business, even if you have no experience. If you're starting from zero like I did, okay? Start that training. Do that if you're starting from zero, okay? Invest in yourself. Invest in your education. If we don't have what we want in our life, it means we don't know something yet. Okay? Pick up a book, my friend, because just like you gotta bathe and just like you gotta eat, you gotta get your brain food every day. I love y'all. Peace.